Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of this stunning 2016 BMW 320 Gran Turismo M Sport XDrive. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 187 brake horsepower and while still returning up to an impressive 60 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 29 and this is a two-owner vehicle having covered just over 36,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Alpine White and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose over £6,000 worth of factory options. A few features like I mentioned, you've got the leather seats there and the front seats being heated. There's also an armrest there for the front passengers too. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then also the car has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. On the driver's door card there, you've got your Harman Kardon sound system, which is an upgrade, and then also your folding door mirror and 4 window controls. The Gran Turismo is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening there in the back, lots of legroom and headroom there for the rear passengers. They also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from BMW too. But the party piece of the Gran Turismo is as open the tailgate, which is electric. You've got the really good sized boot there, just as practical as a estate, with the split folding rear seats, the 2 parcel shelves, one is attached to the tailgate, and then also underneath the boot floor, which is a hydraulic, nice little touch there. You've also got some extra storage too. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the gorgeous 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.